Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris Ramirez here, and I'm not gonna say this is like really a full-on review video about what AI cache clone is about. Okay, all I know is that the creator of AI cache clone, Philip I think it's Johansson, because I think there's a celebrity that's pronounced the other way. I think I said anyhow. You've seen the sales page already, okay? And reading the headline, and I'm just going to read it out. It's like, what if you could create an AI person that makes you 200 plus every day on your phone using the same system as a broke Danish plumber used to go from zero to $9,300 in his first month. Now, I'm sure he is telling a story of his first month of probably launching products, because in the beginning he started with the launching products game with affiliates, and then soon got into coaching on organics with Instagram. Okay. And I remember when he started from nothing. Okay, Philip Johansson, he came from zero. Okay, and now he has thousands upon thousands, or maybe hundreds upon hundreds. I'm not sure the number. I would assume thousands or close to of success stories. People shouting him out said that he really helped him change his life, and he did. Okay, the guy lives in Dubai now currently, and I know that he drives like a $800,000 vehicle, so he knows what he's talking about. Okay, guys. So I wanted to show you the sales page. I'm not going to go in the members area. I just feel like his his resume speaks for itself. And now that AI is on the scene, because he is because Philip is the creator of I believe it's called the figure accelerator system or something like that. It has seven figure in it, or seven fig. And you've seen this guy before. He's a jack dude, likes to work out. Um, he's actually a funny guy as well. Everybody's been hitting this page has now been being tracked on this with his Facebook pixel. The affiliates are seeing his ads. He's doing like he did when he would launch products back way back when, before he started um transitioning to organics. And I know that in this product he's going to tell you about that. Okay, that's why I don't need to get in the members area for Philip Johansson, or Johansson, I believe how you say it, to know that he has a great product here for you guys. But it's with AI, and AI is the hottest topic around right now, and it will be for a while. It's trending up, 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 up and away. Okay, and something you got to understand: he was like raking millions before AI really hit the scene, like monthly. Okay, and profit. Now I could see he's leveraging old school results here from back in his launch days. um, let's see. Didn't expect anything to happen, but in 7 days later. So I'm looking at the. It says, so I tested. Okay, wait, what? Okay, see, the copy actually looks pretty good. I discovered something weird and slightly illegal feeling, but it's 100% legal. I was scrolling to YouTube at midnight, and it's like the copy's really good. It really is good. It says this guy was showing how to create fake people using AI. Sounds like agents. And that's something I'm like diving into heavily, guys. All right. So the purpose of this is, this offer is great because I know he knows what he's talking about. The guy brings in profit about 1 million a month. He averages about 1 million a month profit. Not like, oh, we made $300,000 revenue. We're a beast, which is a big number to boast about. But they don't keep all the number. This dude actually keeps a huge chunk of his money because he understands organics and now has AI doing agent work, because it's saying people, says from an AI person I created in 30 minutes. So it sounds like some form of an agent that does his selling for him with what he's already, with the stuff he may be already doing. Now I am just assuming, and he's gonna do some lifestyle marketing. Like I said, this guy's living it up. He's a multi millionaire now, and it happened in a short amount of time. He is a person to listen to. Okay. Now this is gonna also be about a bonus, because I have three bonuses already, and I want to go to Drive right quick to give you those. To kind of give you a description of the some of the bonuses. It's in the wrong one. Let's go to the Atlas browser right quick, guys. so we can see. I believe it is this browser. We're gonna go to the Atlas browser. This browser is basically going to be part of the fourth bonus. I want to show you some amazing stuff with Atlas. Okay. Like you can do the most amazing stuff with your email and talking to AI, and you don't have to have it scan pages anymore. You don't have to have it do any crazy stuff anymore. It's a search, like it has an agent system that you do have limits on. I actually had the agent build out the delivery bonuses for me and the offer doc that you guys have been seeing from me. Okay, so what I decided to do to sweeten this offer even more from Philip Johansson is to let you know, because already in the third bonus, let's go back to the actual offer doc. Okay, I believe this is it. Yeah, just no, this is not the offer doc. I do apologize. Let me go ahead and get to the correct one. That's actually a lead magnet I'm working on for something else. It is this one right here. So we got to go here. Let's see. All right. So let me go in here and I'm just going to read this over to you guys. All right. So this is from Philip Johansson. This is the offer doc to pre-sell. I always pre-sell my traffic, whether it's between review videos. This is a video. Okay. It's part of a pre-sell, but you could also pre-sell without having to do a video. And I drove the first couple of sales, first handful of sales, just with the doc alone, pre-selling to the audiences that I do have in multiple channels, the email list and social. Okay, and I have it to where the first link's there to click for them to get to the offer. I showed you the sales page already. I want to get to the value stack. Okay, so we got total value stack here. The exclusive bonuses I'll talk about right here. When you purchase through my link, okay, I'm going to probably add on the spot, maybe even tweak this. This actually needs spacing. I don't feel like doing that right now. Okay, so the first bonus you're getting is the AI persona safety and longevity guide. This guide explains how to set up and manage AI personas so to avoid Instagram flag, shadow bans, and shutdowns. It covers many conventions, bio and posting patterns, warning signs of account throttling, and long-term survival strategies. Now, you may think to yourself, that sounds kind of boring for a bonus, and it don't may not be congruent, but believe me, it is. He's talking about building personas to do the work for you. Sounds like AI agent stuff. So it kind of it's going hand in hand with what I'm going to show you, okay, and how to obtain this information because I'm doing this training in real time with my customers. All right. And another thing for the people that pick it up, for the love of God, join the WhatsApp group because I will be sharing all this information there. All right. It's part of the third bonus, but I had to make this video to give you more context and clarification. All right. The second bonus you're getting from me for picking up the AI Cash clone from Philip Johansson is your first $100 to $300 action plan PDF. Okay. It's about 10 pages, 7 to 10 pages. It's a quick start blueprint forced on getting your first commission fast. Okay. It outlines exactly what to do in the first 72 um, hours, how to choose and promote one product, when to pivot versus stay the course, and how to avoid analysis paralysis. That's a big one because that one stalled me for many moons. Thank God I figured out. Not I've slayed it. Thank God. Okay. Your third bonus for me. This is where I talk about the WhatsApp group and all. This is where I'm going to show you agents using I believe Claude has it. I know Atlas has it. I want to show you not just agents with Atlas because you do get limits, but it is kind of expensive to have it indefinitely. Like way more expensive. It's like $200 a month to have indefinite uh AI agents doing all your manual browser marketing money tasks on autopilot, and you can step away. You just got to train it, on how to do it. I tried it, limited it out. I am amazed, and I'm already plotting a game plan, business plan to have that overhead covered with a plan to immediately execute why I'm paying that overhead in the first place so that the AI agents can make the money back and plus some profit. Okay. The way I look at it is that $200 a month is you paying for digital employees. It's actually kind of cheap because human employees are expensive. Okay. All human, all jobs are about to be A lot of jobs are going to be lost. Way more. Damn near all jobs are going to be lost. You better adapt quick, okay? That's why it's imperative you get my bonuses, okay? I'm dead ass serious. And a lot of you guys don't act on certain bonuses. Like if you really, really want to be in close proximity to me and really pick my brain and really help me guide you, get in the WhatsApp group. That is the third bonus. Private WhatsApp group is the third bonus. It's support from me. And get this, it's unlimited support. I'm doing a crazy thing now. I have my super affiliate friend. He put me on game. Okay. So basically, you access to the bot. It's all going to be access to a buyer only WhatsApp group where you can ask questions, get clarification, and stay motivated because I'm gonna give you basic some ideas. I'm about to give you an example of that too. Okay. This is not a coaching program, but it's a community of peers working through the system together. Okay. Let me give you a story about one of our members, and they're in my school community because I work between school and I'm building the WhatsApp. Okay. And things have changed on my end. They had a person in my network. They're doing their model is they're trying to master making ad revenue on Facebook through content creation. Okay. She made a result. It wasn't a big result, but it doesn't matter. A result is a result is a result. She made like $34 through the ad revenue system. It renewed her hope. She celebrated it. Now, regular friends and family and people unaware would shit on that. Marketers would be like, that is a big deal because my first dollars online was like $1.50 on AdSense revenue way back in. This was way back in the day. And that was a big deal. I cried tears of joy. So all that is proof that it works. Proof that it can be done. That's all those little commissions is that friends and family be like, don't quit your day job. Then their foot's in their mouth when you actually follow through and succeed way bigger than a doctor or a lawyer. Okay, but that takes a certain special type of breed with humongous drive. Anyhow, that's part of what I want to show you. I want to show you agent stuff. Okay, I'm gonna add to this. This includes 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 you learning how to use AI agents. This offer is kind of given away that it's AI agents he's using to scale even more, with his human team. So he's got a human team and an agents team. Okay, and so he's able to scale even more. And it looks like I spelled this word wrong. And let me go ahead and bold this up some too. And that's what I want to share with you guys. That's the bonuses you get. And it's actually part of the WhatsApp group. You got to get in the WhatsApp group, guys, for me to friggin' help you. Okay. It's like pulling teeth for you guys because you'll buy something and it's like you get a buzz from buying it and you do nothing. And I get that you work a job or something gets in the way, life gets in the way, something happens to the kids, your vehicle breaks down. Like, I get it. Life happens. Okay. I get this much. But you have to do something so that you can solve problems. You need to learn the skills to make money so that you have the competence to solve problems. Okay, so with that all being said, you're going to get about $4,487 in total bonus value between Philip is offered in his bonus stack on the sales page and my exclusive bonuses to you. So if you want to get it, you see this doc. It says click here to snag your bonuses. Click here. You saw the sales page I showed you. He has a ton of proof from a big audience of people. Okay, the guy knows what he's talking about. So if you want to see what that is all about, I already know I'm going to have a glare with this. I forgot to turn that off. Anyhow, click the link. Click here to snag your bonuses. Okay. And I'll see you guys in the WhatsApp group. I need you to get into the third bonus so I can show you how to do AI agents with what I'm learning. That's going to be my next product. You're going to be like first in the door. to learn this stuff. This is so, right now, this is the most relevant like skill set to learn, is how to use agents to do the grunt work for you, to audience build for you, to talk to people in the DM for you, to close the sales easily for you, have unlimited patience, have unlimited energy to just follow up without emotions getting in the way that flaw humans. Okay, I want to show you this stuff, guys. Since I downloaded Atlas, I've been on a mission. You got Perplexity. You got Claude that could do something similar. You got those other sites that could do something similar. One of my homies from Berlin just showed me another site. So I'm working the case study because I got a taste of Atlas building me an entire promotion. Like it gave me the deliverables, built the doc, built the offer doc. I didn't do anything. It did it all for me. Now I did go back in and edit some things, but it just like it just built it up on what I was logged in on Atlas for it to work on, and it brought sales. And we're, last I checked, I did drop in a leaderboard. I was number 17. Now I'm back at number 20. I plan on at least getting to number 15. So that's why I'm creating this video. Yeah, I'm not going to sit here and stunt and say I am not doing this to not at least get higher up on a leaderboard. You understand, we get warm and toasty when we see ourselves on a leaderboard. I know I can get top 10. And if this helps us get to top 10, not only would you be getting powered by me, I'm going to be showing up like a crazy person, okay? I have my super affiliate friend Ben that lives in Berlin. I've been observing him, and I'm learning from him just through osmosis and observation, and I see why he drives 83% conversion rates and a ton of sales. Is because his rapport is strong with his buyers. He also sends to WhatsApp. Okay. And he's the reason I started my WhatsApp group. And in this WhatsApp group, I'm going to show you the sites, point you to directions, do audio lessons and video lessons inside of the thread. Okay. So pick up AI Clash Clone. I think it's $12.95 currently. He has some higher end ticket stuff. He actually has some high ticket stuff in there. There's like a fucking, I saw there was a $1,000 product. Hey, you got 1,000? Pick it up. Seriously. Because he's not gonna steer you wrong. Only time you shouldn't pick it up is if you know your ability to execute in a timely manner. Because that's when people get better. Okay, so I'm gonna shush, click the link below, or click while you're in this doc. Well, the link will be this doc, and then just click where it says click to snag your bonuses, or you have the first option to click right here too. That way you don't got to go as far. It's only a 2-page offer doc. But I wanted to let you know that the bonuses I'm dead ass about. I am dead ass about the bonuses, and people need to be dead ass about their future. And I'm ready. I am ready, baby. I'm ready to help you. But you got to be ready to help yourself. All right. So if you like what you heard, subscribe to the channel. Tick the bell icon. Leave comments. Troll. Fuck. Do whatever. Love you guys. Click the link below and access your bonuses. You will be able to see it. There's a big button that says access your affiliate bonuses or something bonuses, exclusive bonuses. It's a big button. You can't miss it, okay, on JV Zoo. All right. Y'all be blessed. I'll see you in the next video.